Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you guys on how to write a program that will ask the user to give age, and then our program will determine if the given age is within the age of 13 to 19 years old. We will call this program Teenage Age Checker in C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so basically I'm using code blocks. Okay, this one, it is free to download. So sharp include IOStream for input output using namespace. Int age is in integer. 0 int main. We have here curly bracket begin console out new line. The title of our program, Teenage Age Checker in C++. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give age that will be stored in our variable age, which has a data type of integer, new line, using if else statement here, and relational operator, and if age greater than or equal to 13 and age less than or equal to 19. So teenage years is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You are a teenager if it is true. Else if it is false, unknown age, try again, new line, right curly bracket to close. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my websites. Let us click the build button, build and run to execute the program. Teenage age checker in C++. Let's say the age is 41. Unknown age, try again. Let's say 14. You are a teenager. Other example, 17. You are a teenager. Let's say give age 65 years old. Unknown age, try again. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on Teenage Age Checker in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Thank you for your support. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.